What does an adjustment do? Chiropractic or spinal manipulative therapy is one of the most powerful tools that I have access to as a chiropractor. Why should you care about this? Chiropractic adjustments not only influence local joint physiology, but directly impact structures in the brain, such as the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in voluntary motor planning. When an adjustment is administered, it allows the joint to go through an increased range of motion, restores proper tone and tension on each side of the joint, and also can help dampen low levels of pain thresholds or pain responses. I'm Dr. Austin Gray with Active Chiropractic and Rehabilitation.